Alright, what's new everyone? Today I'm going to walk through installing and setting up the Blink app. I've been asked a few times about it, so I thought I would go ahead and show you. I'm going to show you both on my Android phone and on my iPad here. I'm going to start with my phone. First thing you're going to want to do is go to the Play Store. Go down to search and search for Blink. My first hit is the Blink app. I'm going to go ahead and hit install. Let's do this simultaneous so we can keep up with each of them. So on the iPad, you're going to go to the App Store. Go over to search. Type in Blink. I'll go ahead and click on that first one. And it's the Blink Home Monitor, not the Blink app. So we'll get Blink Home Monitor and go ahead and install. And once you get your password entered, it will start installing. Sorry, I forgot to turn on the lights before I started. Now that they're both installed, we can click open. And the first thing you're going to have to do is, if you've never had it before, create an account. Choose the country. Choose whatever state you're in. We'll randomly select that. The iPad over here defaulted to United States. We'll select a random one. Idaho. All right. Click continue. You'll put in your email. And since I already have an account, this is as far as I'm going to go. I'm going to go ahead and get signed in here. All right. Once you get your password entered, you're going to click sign in. Of course, I'm getting a verification code. Okay, I used the code over on the iPad, so it's going to make me get a new one on Android here. Meanwhile, on the iPad, it would like to send notifications. We'll allow it. That'll allow for when you're getting like doorbell presses or motion detection. So Android phrases it slightly differently, but you'll want to allow the notifications here. And it already has all my systems up here because I've set them up before. If you want to learn how to do that, I got some other videos. All right, and that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see, and I'll make a video on it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.